Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the blog is live and that you can edit settings. This matters because sitemaps require an accessible URL. Once done, locate your blog ID in Settings and open Google Search Console. Add your property now. If you use a custom domain, switch to your DNS provider and be ready to add a CNAME for verification and a records for route mapping. Make sure you can edit both Blogger settings and DNS. This is the first actionable step you need to complete. Next, construct the sitemap path that matches Blogger output. For standard blogs, try Sitemap. XML or the posts-only feed like Sitemap posts. XML, Q equals 1. Then open Search Console, select your site, and go to Sitemaps. Paste that path and hit Submit. Once submitted, inspect the status report and click into Coverage to check for indexing or crawl errors. If you have multiple content types, add each sitemap separately, and prioritize the main post's sitemap. This helps search. Finally, make sure robots. TXT allows your sitemap and does not block important paths. Edit it in Blogger settings if needed. After significant site changes, resubmit the sitemap and use URL inspection to request indexing for priority pages. If you see persistent errors, check canonicals, redirects, or accidental noindex tags. These commonly prevent indexing. If a DNS or verification problem appears, recheck CNAME and property verification in Search Console. Then request a new crawl and monitor the status until Google reports success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.